Good day, everyone. We are Maria Nicole Bidacones, Sophia Dorothy Emanuel, and Cassandra Francis Cirentoria, the researchers that are responsible for this study. Our position paper is entitled A Descriptive Correlational Study of Algorithmic Marketing Effects of E-commerce Platforms on Consumers' Algorithmic Awareness and Purchase Intention. To start off, let's first identify what algorithmic marketing means. Algorithm-based marketing involves analyzing data from past behavior of consumers to present similar interests on their platform. It is a technique by marketers that uses specific consumer data demographics, such as their behavior history, to create a more personalized experience for customers and also benefit businesses. In a 2016 study, it was found that users are less likely to read or comprehend the terms and conditions presented during the act of data collection for algorithmic marketing. Thus, consumers get confused on what information, how these particulars are gathered, and the extent of companies' access to consumers' personal information. Lack of algorithmic awareness presents a serious dilemma among consumers as it could interfere with their daily lives. In 2012, Target sent out child product coupons to consumers with high pregnancy scores, which they acquired through their customer's ID, and backlashed when a shopper discovered the pregnancy of his teenage daughter beforehand and unsolicitedly. In 2020, Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Facebook, settled $550 million on a lawsuit regarding his alleged breach of seeking consent from clients before collecting their biometric data that holds people's faces connected to their identification. Facebook was also accused of allowing Cambridge Analytica, a political consulting corporation, to access confidential data from over 87 million accounts. With this, it is clear how algorithm-based methods could disrupt one's privacy. However, it remains operational and practiced by several corporations today, suggesting that consumers either lack algorithm awareness or have positive viewpoints of these algorithms.
So why is this study important? Despite previous studies, there is still a lack of empirical studies with sufficient data and information about how aware and informed the consumers are regarding how their personal data are collected. This would lead to an insufficiency of knowledge regarding how algorithmic advertisements affects the consumer's decision-making. With sufficient research and data gathering on online consumers regarding their awareness and the range of products they usually look for online, the researchers will be able to trace the relationship of algorithmic marketing to consumer buying behavior and decisions. Thus, the following research questions will be analyzed. First, what are the perceptions of consumers towards the algorithm-based marketing strategy used by online shopping platforms? Second, which of the factors of the algorithm-based marketing of online shops affects the algorithmic awareness and purchase intention of consumers?
The targeted sample size is 58 individuals, which was achieved by using Green's development. The formula is N50 plus 8M, N being the sample size and M representing the number of independent variables, summing up to 58 respondents. A survey would be distributed online through social media platforms, convenient sampling would be utilized, and participants would be social media users and e-commerce shoppers. The researchers will utilize an AA scale to measure the algorithm-based marketing factors affecting algorithm awareness and the self-made survey derived from Rina and Udita's procedure in a similar study to measure algorithm-based marketing factors affecting purchase intention.
The researchers will employ a 31-item questionnaire that will be divided into 3 parts. The first part will gather the demographic information of the respondents. The second section will include dichotomous questions about the consumer's perception of algorithm-based marketing. In the third part, the measuring instrument would be a 5-point Likert scale containing questions concerning how algorithm-based marketing affects consumers' AA. Lastly, for the fourth section, the measuring instrument would be a 5-point Likert scale containing questions regarding how algorithm-based marketing affects consumers' purchase intention.
To test the reliability of the survey questionnaire prepared, Cronbach's alpha will be used along with the confirmatory factor analysis to validate the researcher's self-made questionnaire. Statistical software like SPSS and Jamovi will be used to assist the researchers in analyzing data. A descriptive research design will be employed to answer the first research question, at which the mode will be calculated based on the section with yes or no answerable questions. The data will be tallied, and the answer that is most frequently chosen per question will then reflect the perception of the majority of respondents towards the algorithm-based marketing strategy of e-commerce platforms. For the second research question, the researchers will use a correlational research design. Two separate multiple regression analyses will be utilized to explore the relationship between the variables based on the data from the sections of the questionnaire with 5-point Likert scale answerable statements. One regression analysis will be used to measure the effect of independent factors of algorithm-based marketing on the algorithmic awareness of consumers, whereas the other one will be used to measure the effect of independent factors on consumers' purchasing intention. Lastly, here's the list of our references. This brings us to the end of our presentation. Again, we are Maria Nicole B. Dacones, Sophia Dorothy M. Manuel, and Cassandra Frances C. Rentoria, and we're sincerely grateful for having this opportunity to present to you all. Thank you.